Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start.
Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I'm David. It's so good to see you again. I hope you are happy today.
Hi everyone, I'm Alice. We are very happy you are here. Really, really happy. Today we have a fun and very useful topic.
Yes, today we talk about your home. We talk about rooms and furniture. This is very important English for daily life.
Very important, because we all live in a home, right? We all have rooms, we all have furniture. So today will be very helpful for you.
And if you like simple English, if you like slow English, if you like friendly English, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps our small English family grow.
Yes, join our English family. We like you, we really do. Okay, let's start.
Let's begin with a simple question. Where do you live?
Yes, very simple, very common. You can answer, I live in a house, or I live in an apartment.
Let's say it slowly. I live in a house. I live in an apartment.
Good, very good. Practice makes perfect. David, where do you live?
I live in a small house. It is simple, but I like it.
Nice. I live in an apartment. It's on the 4th floor. The elevator is slow, very slow. Sometimes I wait like 5 hours. Okay, maybe not 5 hours, but it feels like it.
Yes, slow elevators are the worst. Now, let's talk about rooms. Common rooms are the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, the dining room.
Let's say them slowly. Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, dining room.
Great, very nice. Alice, what room do you like the most?
I think I like the kitchen. I like food. What about you?
I like the living room because I relax there. I sit on the sofa, I read books, sometimes I sleep on the sofa. Too comfortable.
Yes, the sofa is a dangerous place.
Let's talk about the living room. In the living room, you can find a sofa, a TV, a table, a lamp, a carpet or rug.
Let's repeat slowly. Sofa, TV, table, lamp, carpet, rug.
Good. This is my sofa. I watch TV in the living room.
David, do you have a big sofa or a small sofa?
I have a big sofa, but no one sits with me, so maybe my sofa is lonely.
Aw, poor sofa. Somebody give David a friend.
Let's move to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you can find a fridge, a stove, a sink, a table, chairs, cups, plates, bowls.
Let's repeat slowly. Fridge, stove, sink, table, chairs, cups, plates, bowls.
Good. I cook in the kitchen.
I drink water in the kitchen. David, are you a good cook?
I think yes, but maybe I am only good in my imagination.
I understand. My pasta is like rubber sometimes.
Rubber pasta? Delicious.
No, not delicious. My cooking is dangerous.
Now the bedroom. In the bedroom, you can find a bed, a pillow, a blanket, a wardrobe, a small table, a lamp.
Let's say them slowly. Bed, pillow, blanket, wardrobe, table, lamp.
I sleep in the bedroom. I have a soft pillow.
David, do you wake up early?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes never.
Yes, I know this feeling. 5 more minutes and suddenly 1 hour.
Now, the bathroom. In the bathroom, you can find a shower, a toilet, a sink, a mirror, towels.
Repeat slowly. Shower, toilet, sink, mirror, towels.
I take a shower in the bathroom.
I wash my hands in the bathroom. David, do you sing in the shower?
No, but maybe I should. It might make me a superstar.
Or maybe it will break the shower.
Let's go to the dining room. In the dining room, a table, chairs, plates, glasses.
Repeat slowly. Table, chairs, plates, glasses.
I eat in the dining room.
I sit on a chair. David, do you eat at the table or on the sofa?
On the table usually. On the sofa sometimes. On the floor never.
I eat everywhere. The sofa, the table, the kitchen, everywhere.
Your food travels around your apartment.
Yes, my food needs exercise too.
Now, I ask questions, you answer at home. What room do you like the most? Pause.
Good answer.
What furniture do you have in your bedroom? Pause.
Nice.
Do you cook in the kitchen? Pause.
Great job.
Let's repeat key phrases slowly. I live in a house. I live in an apartment. This is my living room. I cook in the kitchen. I sleep in the bedroom. I take a shower in the bathroom. I eat in the dining room.
Very, very good. Your English is improving. We are proud of you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Yes, and tell us in the comments, what is your favorite room?
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, my friend.